Want to make your Android phone look and feel like an iPhone? With the right launcher, you can get iOS-style icons, gestures, and even the control center. In this video, I'll show you how to transform your Android into an iPhone, complete with iOS-style icons, control center, and more, all using a free app. Let's turn your Android into an iPhone today. First up, open the Play Store on your Android phone. Then tap on the search icon below. Now type iPhone Launcher. Now find the app called iPhone Launcher by SAS Developer. Then make sure to tap Install. After installing, tap Open. Some ads might interrupt you. Skip them. Now select Language. Then tap Continue from the top right. Now tap Continue. Keep tapping Continue until you see Get Started. Then tap on Get Started. Here you can select iOS wallpaper, choose on one of them, or you can skip by tapping Skip from the top right. I'm gonna tap Continue, then tap Agree. Now allow this app from the Appear on Top section. Now for the notification access, again tap Agree. Now if you want to set this launcher default, then tap on Set as Default. Otherwise, you can skip it by tapping that cross icon here. I'm gonna skip it, and there you have it. Let's explore it. Everything looks like an iPhone. Yeah, I know not perfectly, but yeah, you'll get a little bit of test of the iPhone. If you swipe down, you'll feel the iPhone's control center. Here you can use assistive touch as well. If you tap on it, you'll get the iPhone feel. It looks like the iOS assistive touch, right? Alright everyone, that's a wrap for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or thoughts, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in.